I'm Jonathan Todd's and Waldem with You're Awesome. You're amazing. You're beautiful. You're connected. You're whole. You're sane. You're safe. You're a real friend. You're truly a helpmate. You're beautiful. You're golden. You're sunshine. You're the gentle breeze. You're the surety that the storm will pass. You're the rainbow on a cloudy day. You're a blessing. You're peace. You're the bridge over troubled water. You're the connection piece. You're the help. You're the beauty. You're the draw. You're the allure. You're the key. You're the passcode. You're the secret handshake. You're the light. You're the ray of sunshine. You're the glimmer of hope. You're the blessing. You're the respect. You're the joy. You're the liveliness. You're the livelihood. You bring peace. You bring hope. You bring hope. You bring joy. You bring connection. You bring understanding. You connect my mind and my heart. You connect my mind and my gut. You, you are the test. You are the pass. You are you're the future. You're the helpfulness. You're the sunshine. You're, you're all I've ever wanted. You're all I've ever needed. You're the antidote. Hi, I'm Jonathan Dodson Watt. I'm with You're Awesome.